everybody, it's Tania Stevens with 50 is Not Old, and I'm here today to show you my Sephora haul. So I went over the weekend to Sephora and I grabbed a whole bunch of new products because spring is coming, and every season I try to update my makeup because my skin tone changes. It's white from the winter and spring, so I want to liven it up from the winter. And then in summer I have a tan, so I need to tone it down a little bit anyway. So I changed things up. So I went to Sephora. Yay! And I have a bunch of products I can't wait to show you. I'll just quickly go through them, what they are, and then show you how I've used part of them. Some of them will come to you at a later date because I have to do a review on them. This, however, is Rose Quartz by Huda Beauty. It is a eyeshadow palette, and that is what I have used today. We have more Huda Beauty. This is liquid matte lipstick. It is not lip stain, it is lipstick, so it would have to be applied more than once through the day if you eat or whatever. This is by Rare Beauty. It is their blush, a dewy liquid blush. So I have Happy. Let's see if I can get you the two colors. Happy is the brighter color, brighter pink. That is the one I'm going to use for spring. This one is called Hope, and I'll actually use that more toward the fall. Then we have, I have like 3 of these. Let's see if I can find the other one. There it is. I have 3 different eyeliners. This one is Makeup by Mario, and it is a purple for the eyes. It is a purple, and I love that, since Very Peri is the color of the year, which is a muted periwinkle. This one is by Ilia. I love Ilia. That's great for aging skin, mature skin. Yeah, me. And this one is a clean line gel liner. It is in a brown color. And this one is Stilla, and it is a dual-ended. So it has a precise fine tip on one end and then a thicker tip on the other end. I also, about to drop everything. I also have another smaller eyeshadow palette by Ilia. This one is the Necessary eyeshadow palette, and it's a little darker, more muted shades than the Rose Quartz one I had earlier. I did get some L'Oreal Age Perfect 4-in-1 Tinted Balm. So it's infused with Firmin Serum, and it's a 20 is the color. Light, and this is Age Perfect once again for us maturing skin ladies. This is NARS. This is a under eye coverage concealer. The color is medium 1 or custard, and I got a translucent setting powder by Hourglass, and I love Hourglass products, so I can't wait to try that. Because right now I am still pasty white. I got Isle of Paradise self-tanning butter. I've never used Isle of Paradise, so I'm interested in seeing about this. I've heard a lot about it, but what I really heard about was the self-tanning drops. So I got those 2. I'll be trying those and coming back to you later date and showing you my results with those 2 products, as well as this product. So this is the New Face. It is an advanced facial toning device. So we're going to see how this thing works. Don't know, but this will be something I won't be able to show you immediate results. So I will come back to you at a later date and give you my opinion of this, my review of this. But anyway, that's what I got from Sephora. So now let's see it all go on. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to try is another new product I forgot to mention. This is L'Oreal Paris. It's called Age Perfect. This is the 4-in-1 tinted balm, and I'm wearing, it's a light color and number 20. Let's try it. I'm putting it on with a brush. just all over my face. Light, even coverage. Make sure you get the neck. The Age Perfect line is supposed to be for mature skin, and I definitely have mature skin, so trying this out to see how this works. Don't want it to be showing increases. Okay, let's move on then. I'm going to be applying NARS. This is called Medium 1 Custard. It is soft matte. Let me grab me a brush. And I'm going to apply this in the dark. When you look down, you can be able to see it. I hope you can see the, I really don't want you to see them, but you can see dark lines. That is where the puff lines are. And so I'm just going to highlight those, not highlight them, but fill them in, make them not so dark. So therefore, hopefully the light will make them come closer and it won't look quite as much like I have dark circles. And I will tap that into blend. Tap in the blend. You're putting the product actually where the darkness is, not over the whole eye or under the eye, but just on the actual dark line and circle. Hopefully bringing that forward. Okay, now let's try the Hourglass translucent setting. This is Veil translucent setting spray. Powder. I've already took the little thin layer of plastic that holds it from going everywhere. And I'm dabbing it in, setting it just very lightly, just enough to make it go, not be so creamy. Okay. And now I'm going to try, let's see what else we got. Oh yeah, the Rare Beauty blush. I'm going to try Happy. Should I try one on one cheek, one on the other? Sure, why not? I'll just look off, little uneven, but that's okay. This is just to let you see the colors. So this one is Happy, and this one is Hope. Here's the two different colors. You can see this one is a whole lot pinker. That's what I tend to do for spring. And I'm just going to put that right there. Let's see how it goes in. Tapping it around. I'm basically doing the outside of my eye and going up, raising my cheek up. I wasn't for sure how dark it would be, so I didn't add much, but I can always build with it. So if I wanted to put more, I'll do just a tiny bit more to show you. You can always add more. So, to get it the color you want. It's hard to tell with these lights and the camera and the phone and everything. So now, this one is called Hope. It is a darker color, more mauve. Let's see how this one works. Oops, I got too far down. Anyway, I prefer to stay on the outer edge of my eye, not underneath my eye. So this one is a darker color. That's why I would go more in the fall than I would the light color, more for spring, this more for fall. Sorry, that looks really bad right there. Anyway, so that's the two colors. I don't know if you can see them well. bright lights, who knows. Now, let's see, what do I want to do? Eyeshadow. And I'm going to try to open this up. I'm going to, this is off the cuff, who will see how it turns out. Let's just try doing an all over white color, all over the eyelid to give it a good base coat. Okay, and now I'm going to change brushes, and I'm going to go in with Serenity, which is a light purple, and I'm going to go on the lid only right now. Lid only. That covers really well. Let's see if it flakes. I'm hoping not. That covers really well, so it's very pigmented to cover. I mean, and that's kind of what you want. You don't want to spend all your time putting on eyeshadow and then you stand back and you can't even see it. So let's see, since that was a purple, let's go with a, what color? I don't know what color that is. Ooh, that's dark. Let's try the outer edge. I'm going to now blend that in. Okay, and since I have, let's see if it'll come on my brush or not. I'm going to go under the eye just a tiny bit. Okay, definitely a smoky eye going here. And I'm going to go back into that white color just a little bit with lots of stuff and go in to raise my eyebrow some. So that will give you keep your eyes from getting low, closing in, keep them wide open looking. And the first brush I used with the white color, I'm just going to blend a little bit. Make sure I don't have any harsh lines. Okay. So what else did we get? Oh, okay, so we have three liners. This one is black. It is the dual-ended, fine and thicker. This one is actually a brown, and I like using that a lot in the spring because it's lighter than the black. And this one is purple. Oh, and it needs sharpening. So I need to sharpen that. I don't know if it'll work or not. I'll try it, and if I don't, I'll go sharpen it. So right first, I'm going to try the brown and see. Oh, I should get me the mirror and see how the brown looks, and then I'll do the purple on the other one. So let's apply it. I like how it goes smoothly on. This is Ilia. Ilia is also known for products for older women, aging skin. Got a little fallout there. So I like how it went on really well, and it's not so dark. I really like that a lot. Now, let me go sharpen my purple pen, my purple liner, and I'll be right back. Okay, so the Mario by Mario purple eyeliner comes with a eyeliner on one end, have to think about this, a brush to smudge it together on the other end, and it does come with its sharpener. So let me try putting this on in the mirror because I'm halfway blind and I can't see that far off. So let's see. Purple. I don't know that it will look that much purple because I have purple eyeshadow on. It's hard to do it with one-handed too because I'm having to hold the mirror with the other one. Okay, so I'm going to try smudging it as best I can. So I like that one too really well. Okay, I like that one really well. Those might all be good things for spring. Okay, and now the last thing I'm going to try is the Huda Liquid Matte. This one is in Muse. Let's see if I can get it open. I like the frosted glass. That's very pretty. Okay. I like the pointy tip. Makes it easier to apply. Got a little much on me, so I smudged it a little bit. Anyway, probably got it on my teeth too. Anyway, I do think you should always have new, fresh makeup every season. And so this is what I've gotten so far this year. I'm sure I'll have more before it's over. But I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. I will put the links to the products below. If you can't see them right away in the description box, hit the See More button, and then you will find the links listed below. I hope you enjoyed this. If you've enjoyed it, please be sure to like, follow, and comment, and that helps my content be seen by more people. I hope you've enjoyed it, and have a great day.